Last week, Microsoft Power BI team presented the 2022 October updates. In the updates, a new preview feature, relationship editing in Properties Pane, was introduced. By this feature in modeling view, we can quickly edit relationship in Properties Pane. To apply this feature, we first need to enable it by options setting. In Power BI desktop report file, on top ribbon, left-hand side, click File, then click Options and Settings. In pop-up window, choose Options. Then in pop-up Options window, select Preview feature from list. Then check the relationship pane from the bottom of the feature list. After setting, we need to restart the Power BI desktop application. Close and reopen the Power BI desktop report file. Move to the Report Data Modeling view. Choose a relationship line you want to edit. Now we see the left property pane is expanded with all relationship options. Let's modify class field direction from single to both. Apply the changes. The benefits as mentioned by Power BI team is that this new editing view sends minimum queries by having no data preview and validating only when we apply the changes. Thanks for your watching and see you in next video.